Yes, dear students, in this video I will take some simple questions based on last D, just for practice of numerical, how to solve. First question here is that a copper wire has length of 4 meter, cross-section area 1.2 centimeter square, Young modulus 1.2 10 to the power 11 Newton per meter square. This is copper wire. Length 4 meter, area 1.2 centimeter square, and Young modulus 1.2 10 to the 11 Newton per meter square. It is stressed by force of 4.8 10 to the power 3 Newton. So you are asked here calculate the stress, strain, and increase length of wire. Just for sake of memory and practice, I am giving this question. So we know solution is this y equal to stress. So stress is equal to force upon area. Force upon that 4.8 10 to the power 3. Here area is given in centimeter square. Force is in Newton. So we have to convert area into meter square. Is equal to 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. Actually 1 centimeter square means 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. And 1 centimeter, how many meter? 10 to the power minus 2 meter into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So it is 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. Here is the problem. I have seen a student confused with this. Now it is 4 by 4.8 1.2 4 into 10 to the power 7 Newton per meter square is the stress. Then you are asked strain. So here is strain. We know y equal to stress upon strain. Actually, student answer which formula to be applied. It comes by practice, nothing else. Or कुछ चीज है तो practice makes a man perfect. So strain equal to stress upon y. Stress you have calculated here 4 into 10 to the power 7 and y 1.2 into 10 to the power 11. So it comes out to 4 upon 1.2 10 to the power minus 4 meter. Oh sorry, dimension less. It is strain. Or you can say it is decimal of 4.3. So 10 by 3 into 10 to the power minus 4. Then you are asked increasing length. So you know strain further. Strain is equal to increased length upon original length. Increased length upon original length. Or you can write delta L. So small l equal to L into strain. So our length is 4 meter. 4 into strain 10 by 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. It is equal to 4 by 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Or it is 4 by 3 millimeter. So this way you can solve such question easily. Okay. So this was simple question just to recall the terms we have learned. Now next question, a little good question and create lot of trouble to students. Question is that breaking stress of steel. Breaking stress of steel is equal to 8 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per meter square. Breaking stress of steel is this. Density of steel, density of steel 8 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube, and small g you can take 10 meter per second square. So what are you asked here? You are asked here, find the greatest length of steel wire that can hang vertically without breaking. So you are asked, okay, how much a wire of certain length can hang without breaking under its own weight. अपने वेट में ही टूटेगा. To calculate the longest length of steel wire which can hang without breaking under its own weight. A very good question here, you can mark here. A good question for students. So here, first of all, we have to find out weight. Actually, stress is equal to force upon area. So who will apply force? The weight of the wire. So weight of the wire होगा weight of wire. W is equal to M into G. And what is M? Volume into density. Volume into density into G. How to find out volume of this wire? If A be the L be the length which can hang, then volume will be A into L into B or into G. W upon A becomes stress produced due to its own weight. W upon A becomes the stress produced by its own weight. It is LdG. So LdG is equal to 8 into 10 to the power 6. You have to find out L. D is 8 into 10 to the power 3, G 10 to the power 6. So this L will come out by 10 to the power 4 to 10 to the power 2. 8 cancel. So it comes out 100 meter. A simple question for practice, just to realize how we have to think. Please, class 11 students are sometimes not able to understand conversion of unit, and there are some problem in mensuration. Remember, if you want to find volume of any regular figure, then area of base into height is the general formula for finding volume. And you can guess here, volume of room, you determine length into breadth into height. If it is a room here, and length, breadth, height are there, the volume of this L, B or H, you do always from class 6, L, B, H. L into B is the area. To make in brain general formula to find out volume, length, area of base into height. So cylinder or any wire, because you will be coming across so many problems regarding volume. So suppose it is area, this is a cylinder of area A and length L. This area may be given as A equal to pi r square also. But remember, area of base into height will be volume. Volume density mass into G weight. This idea you have to keep in your brain. Nowadays students are very much yesterday some students were with me and they were unable to find out square root of decimals. This is a serious problem with the student. Square root of decimals. There was to find out square root of 0.1. They were not able to find out square root of 0.01. Actually, in decimal, when we have got number in decimal, suppose we have got 3.6, तो जनरली स्टूडेंट से इसका स्क्वायर 0.6 हो जाएगा, 0.6 इंटू 0.6 होगा. अगर हमें करना है तो डेसिमल से पहले पेयर इधर बनते हैं, डेसिमल पे आफ्टर डेट वी कैन पुट मैनी जीरो, तो इट इज 1 बन जा 3 पर 2.60, इट विल बी 2 2 9 जा 18, पर 9 9 जा 81, यस नियरली 9 9 जा 81, 8 9 2 जा 18 और 8 26, so nearly it is 1.9. So please, dear student, whatever you do not know, ask your friend or teacher or take the help of books from which you can learn such things. But be very careful about your arithmetic. Now there is a next question again, very good question. By how much rubber स्ट्रिंग ऑफ लेंथ 10 मीटर इंक्रीज. हमारे पास एक 10 मीटर रबर बैंड है, लेंथ इज 10 मीटर, तो हाउ मच इट कैन इंक्रीज इन इट्स ड्यू टू इट्स ओन वेट. क्वेश्चन दैट हाउ मच रबर स्ट्रिंग ऑफ लेंथ 10 मीटर increases in its length under its own weight when suspended vertically. रबर बैंड है ये, तो of 10 meter length, so how much it can increase under its own weight, given that density of rubber 1.5 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube, and young modulus given है 5 into 10 to the power 8 Newton per meter square, and take say the 10 meter per second square. We have rubber band here whose length 10 meter. So under its own weight, how much it can get elongated, कितना length बढ़ेगा. Actually, by symmetry, you know, the mass of this rubber band will be supposed to be concentrated at center of mass, and it is symmetrical, so L by 2 length is there where force will act. So weight of rubber band, weight of rubber स्ट्रिंग कह लो, बैंड कह लो, तो होगा A इंटू एल बाई 2 इंटू जी, नहीं एल सॉरी वेट होगा एल ए एल डी जी, एरिया ऑफ ये वॉल्यूम डेंसिटी. तो दिस टोटल weight of the rubber string is A L D G. It will act at this point. So it is supposed to that this weight acting at this point, and an increase in length will take place for L by 2. L by 2. You know, young modulus, force upon area into L upon small l. So here for L we take L by 2. So you want to find out L. So L here in place of L we take L dash equal to L by 2. I put here L dash. So L is equal to F into L by 2 upon A into Y. Or F is this. So it is A L D G into L by 2 upon A Y. A cancel. So it comes out to be L square DG. upon y. Put the values. Length 10 square 100 into density of 5 into 10 to the power, 1.5, 10 to the power 3, G10 upon y, young modulus 5 into 10 to the power 8. So it is 0.3. 100,000 10 to the power 5 upon 10 to the power 8, 10 to the power minus 3 meter, यानी कि 0.3 मिलीमीटर. हाँ भाई, it is 0.53. हाँ, wrong हो गया. What is wrong? Yes, I left this 2. Sorry, 2 should be answered 2 upon 2. So it is 0.15 10 to the power minus 3 meter. So answer is here. Something wrong again. What has gone wrong? Power कितनी होगी? Something has gone wrong there. Sorry बेटा. By 2 यहाँ छूट गया हमसे. 12 square 100, density 1.5 10 to the power 3 और L स्क्वायर होगा DG डेंसिटी होगा G10 अपॉन young modulus 5 into 2 into 5 into 10 to the power 8. So it is 100 y or 6. Yes, ये बोलता हुआ. हाँ भाई. 1.5 into 10 to the power 3 4 तो 6 upon 10 to the power 7. 9. So it will come out 1.5 10 to the power minus 3 meter or 1.5 millimeter. So that way ये फिर गलत हो गया इसमें. तो L इसमें यहाँ में निकालता हूँ उसको. L स्क्वायर DG अपॉन 2y 100 into 1.5 10 to the power 3 into G10 upon 2 into 5 10 to the power 8. So it comes out on solving 1.5 10 to the power minus 3 meter or 1.5 millimeter. So this is again a simple question but important. Just for exercise of brain. These questions are simply the exercise of brain. I will take more numerical coming videos. Thank you.